Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calcium carbide reacts with water to produce calcium hydroxide and acetylene gas. We need to explain why the final pH is basic. First, look at the products in the balanced equation. Calcium hydroxide is a strong base. If it dissolves in water, it will release hydroxide ions and increase the solution pH. Finally, since the pH is basic, some solid calcium hydroxide must have dissolved. This proves it is slightly soluble in water. That makes option A our clear and final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Watch signs and avoid rush.